Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This tutorial series aims to help everyone build a complete editing knowledge system from scratch by breaking down every functional detail. I suggest clicking the like button below right now and saving this video to your playlist. This will be your ready-to-use reference book on your future editing journey. In previous lessons, we learned about mask and chroma key. Mastering these allows you to perform very precise adjustments on static images. But the soul of a video lies in movement. Many beginners encounter this confusion when editing. Why can others' videos zoom in and out smoothly? Why can others' stickers move across the screen, while mine just sit stiffly in one place? This involves the most core and magical concept in video editing: keyframe. If mask is a scalpel, then keyframe is the conductor's baton in the director's hand. It determines when elements in the frame start moving, where they move, and how they move. In today's course, we will completely unveil the mystery of keyframes, from basic zoom animations to advanced object tracking, taking you from zero to mastering the skills to make your video come alive. Now, let's start the tutorial. First, we need to understand logically what a keyframe is. Don't be intimidated by this technical term. You can simply understand it as a GPS location point for the video. The function of a keyframe is to record all state information of the video at a specific point in time. These states include position, size, rotate, opacity, etc. CapCut's system is very smart. When you set a start and an end state, the system automatically calculates the process in between and generates a smooth animation transition. This is the basic principle of keyframe animation. Next, let's enter the practical segment and create a classic camera zoom-in effect. Please import a video clip. At this moment, the white vertical line on the timeline represents the current time, and the preview area shows the state of the frame at this moment. If we want to start recording the state from this second, please select the video clip on the main track. Pay attention to the bottom right of the preview area, where there is a diamond-shaped icon with a plus sign next to it. This is the Add Keyframe button. Click it, and you will find a red diamond symbol appearing on the video clip on the main track. This represents that we have successfully placed the first marker. The system has remembered all the parameters of the video at this moment. It is in its original position, original size, without any rotation. Next, let's drag the timeline forward, for example, to the 3rd second of the video. We want the screen to get bigger at this position, simulating the effect of the camera zooming in. The operation here is very flexible. There are 2 ways. The first way is to tap that diamond button again to manually add a keyframe first, and then use 2 fingers to zoom in on the screen in the preview area. There is another way, which is the efficient method I recommend more. Let's delete the keyframe we just added first. You don't need to tap the button, just directly use 2 fingers to zoom in on the video screen in the preview area. You will find that as you operate, a new red diamond symbol automatically appears on the timeline below. This means the system has automatically recorded the new state of the video being zoomed in at the 3rd second. Now, let's drag the timeline back to the very beginning and tap play. You will see that the video doesn't just suddenly become larger, but transitions from the original state of the first keyframe smoothly and evenly to the zoomed-in state of the second keyframe. This is a standard keyframe animation. Of course, the power of keyframes goes far beyond this. You can add countless keyframes to a video clip to achieve complex motion paths. For example, we want the video to have a bit of dynamic rotation while zooming in. We can continue to drag the timeline forward a certain distance. At this new time point, we use 2 fingers to rotate the screen in the preview area, or set the rotation in the transform settings. At this time, the system automatically records the 3rd state. Let's play it back from the beginning. The video will first transition smoothly from the original state to the zoomed-in state, and immediately after, it will seamlessly transition from the zoomed-in state to the rotated state. Each keyframe is like a guidepost, directing the movement of the frame. You can add dense keyframes to fine-tune every movement detail until you adjust it to the cinematic effect you want. During the operation, if you feel a certain movement is redundant or the position is wrong, how do you delete a keyframe? It's very simple. We can directly click on the keyframe that needs to be deleted. You will find that the Add button here has turned into a minus sign. Click it again to delete. Or you can drag the timeline so that the white vertical line stops precisely on that red diamond symbol. A button with a minus sign will also appear. Tap it, and the current keyframe will be instantly cleared, and the screen will restore to the state of the previous keyframe in that time period. Having learned the operations on the main video, let's talk about the broader application areas of keyframes. Keyframes can not only be applied to the main video track, but they also apply to overlay, text, and stickers layers. This provides infinite possibilities for our creative editing. Let's give an example. First, tap Stickers in the bottom toolbar. Choose a sticker you like and add it to the track. Currently, this sticker remains stationary in this position and will not move. The only animation is the character walking in place within the sticker itself. At this time, we need to use keyframes to make the character truly walk. Step 1. Move the timeline to the beginning where the sticker appears. Select the sticker layer, move the sticker to the desired position, such as the far left of the screen, and then tap to add the first keyframe. Step 2. Play the video, or slowly drag the timeline to a suitable moment and pause the video. Step 3. Manually drag the sticker in the preview area and move it to the position where you want the character sticker to appear. At this time, the system automatically records the second keyframe. By analogy, if the character's walking route is complex, such as going up first and then down, you only need to mark a new keyframe at every turning point, where the character changes direction and correct the sticker's position. When you finish marking all the points and play the video from the beginning, you will find that this sticker seems to be alive, moving along a multi-trajectory path as the video plays. Whether it is creating character following, dynamic progress bars, or text intro animations, the logic is exactly the same. Finally, let's summarize the core logic of keyframes, which is also where beginners make mistakes most easily. Keyframe is a tool used to record change. To produce change, at least two states are needed: a start point and an end point. If you only mark one keyframe, the video will remain in that state throughout and will not produce animation effects. Always remember, there must be a beginning and an end to make it move. Through the study of this video, we detailed the working principle of keyframes and demonstrated practical skills from basic zooming and rotation to complex path following. Keyframes are the only way to advanced editing. Mastering it, you can control the dynamic performance of every element in the frame as you wish. If you find the content of this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button below the video, and turn on the notification bell next to it so you won't miss more dry goods tutorials about editing skills in the future. If you encounter any questions during the operation, welcome to leave a comment in the comments section. I will check and reply to everyone's feedback. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.